Hello and welcome to this video where we'll be installing and reviewing the Elixir Privacy Glass Screen Protector for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Though we are installing this protector on the iPhone 11 Pro Max today, these screen protectors are also available for the iPhone 11 and 11 Pro models. If you're a little cautious when using banking apps or writing private messages out in public in the fear that someone will see your phone screen, this protector is the perfect solution. The adaptive privacy filter shields your screen from view when seen from an angle so only that you can see what's happening on your phone. The installation process is quite simple and only involves a few steps. Inside the box, you'll find a microfiber cloth, a cleaning wipe, dust removal stickers and guide stickers, and finally the glass protector itself attached to a flexible backing. First, take the cleaning wipe and wipe over the screen thoroughly to remove any dust or greasy fingerprints. Next, take the microfiber cloth and dry the screen off to leave a nice clean surface. Take the dust removal sticker and dab it over the screen to take away any stray dust particles that can stop the glue from sticking down fully. Now you're ready to apply the protector. Apply the guide stickers to the top and bottom of the screen to help place the protector accurately. Take the protector in hand and very gently peel away the backing from the protector, making sure you don't touch the adhesive side. Carefully lower the protector onto the phone, lining up the cutouts around the speaker and up to the edges of the phone. This process can be slightly difficult to make sure that it's in the right place. If needed, you can peel the protector away again and reapply if it's not quite aligned properly. Just make sure there's no dust trapped in the adhesive or on the phone before you reapply. If you find any dust trapped on the adhesive side, you can simply use the dust removal sticker to dab it away. Once you're happy with the placement of the protector, touch the centre of the glass and the adhesive should begin to stick down to the screen. If you find any remaining bubbles, simply rub them away with the cloth or your finger, pushing them from the middle to the edge of the screen. Now you're ready to use your phone with the peace of mind that the screen is fully protected and safe from unwanted eyes. The filter works really well, blacking out the screen completely when viewed from most angles. The top and bottom don't seem to filter as well, but the overall shaded effect of the protector gives a nice cover that's still very visible. Of course, this glass protector saves your screen from annoying scratches and scuffs that occur with everyday wear and tear, but the added security offers a whole other layer of protection. Every feature works perfectly with no loss in responsiveness, allowing me to swipe through apps and browse the internet easily with no drag. It's relatively thin, with a 0.3mm thickness, and with the screen and protector lined up to match, it's barely visible. I like the smooth rounded edges as they match the shape of the phone and the overall iPhone look. I really like this budget privacy protector. It has a brilliant premium quality to it that you don't often find in cheaper screen protectors. I hope you've enjoyed this installation and review of the Elixir Privacy Glass Screen Protector for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. If you're looking for more mobile accessory reviews, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more quality content. Thanks for watching.